How to use the Solidworks feature Swept Boss Base. You'll find the feature in the top left corner of your Features tab, next to the Revolved Boss Base feature. Hovering over it, it'll tell you that it creates a closed profile along a closed or open path to create a solid feature. But it's gray, so we have to sketch some sketches first. We'll create a sketch profile first on the front plane, make it be a center square, dimension it as you see fit. Make sure you have an equal relationship for all four edges and a vertical relationship to the origin, and dimension the height as well, which is going to be 50. Enter. Okay, now exit sketch. Now we're going to create our profile path, which is going to be sketched on a plane perpendicular to the profile sketch. Click sketch, press Ctrl 8 on a right plane, normal to it, and we're going to use the spline feature, and we're going to create like a very nice and very catchy spline. Press escape to stop using it, and the beginning of the sketch path should be horizontal and thus perpendicular to our profile sketch, like this. The details of the spline function are going to be for another video, so we're going to leave it as it is right here. Click OK, exit sketch, and now we can use the Swept Boss Base feature. The path is automatically selected because it was selected at the end of our sketching. So we hand select the profile, and you'll see that we have now created a very nice Swept Boss Base extrude. There are a couple of options here. The keep normal constant is not possible because the normal will not be constant. The normal is actually the orientation of the beginning face, and if you keep it as it is right here, it has a front side and a back side. If you try to keep it constant, then you'll have an inverse normal profile in the end, and that's something that's not possible because then the model cannot be a solid model. It will have certain zero thickness parts within it, and that will give you errors. So we're going to follow path as a profile orientation. We're going to specify twist value to make the profile twisting along the path. We use 60 degrees. And let's see if we can use the thin feature to create like a hollow sweep. And then again you can choose what to do with it. And that's how you use the Swept Boss Base feature. I hope you liked this video, this very short tutorial on another feature of SolidWorks. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll see each other next time.